How to find new music on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, tap on What's New under your profile. This page shows you the latest releases from artists, podcasts, and shows that you follow. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. After that, scroll down and tap on New Releases over here. Here, you can find all the new releases, such as the best new releases and the handpicked new releases. You can scroll through these sections in order to explore. This way, just scroll through and you'll be able to find the latest, greatest, and trending music on Spotify. Following these steps, you can easily find new music on Spotify.